Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bang bang shrimp at home. So let's get to it. First, we're making our sauce. Go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, put your mayonnaise in there, as well as your sweet and sour sauce. Now, I like my food spicy, so if you don't, just pour in half of the sriracha that I suggested down below. Then pour in your honey. Give everything a good stir. Now, if you like it a little bit more spicy, go ahead and add in the rest of that sriracha. This is how your sauce should end up looking when all of the sriracha and everything is added into it. Put the sauce aside, get another bowl, add 1 egg and your buttermilk, give it a good whisk, and put that to the side. Now, with my dry ingredients, I used panko crumbs as well as cornstarch. I know you're wondering why cornstarch and not flour. Well, cornstarch is going to add that extra crispiness that we need for that fried shrimp that flour cannot. And now I'm just adding in all of the seasonings, and remember, all of the measurements are going to be listed below. Now, don't judge me on this, but I like to taste my dry ingredients just to make sure it's seasoned enough. So if you're worried about too much salt, just add half. Go ahead and taste it and then add if needed. Now get all your bowls, line them up, it's time to cook. So first we're gonna go ahead and grab our shrimp, dip it in here, and then take it out. Bring it over to the dry ingredients, and we are going to flip it, pack it in, make sure it's completely coated. Once it's covered, put it onto a wire rack, let it sit for a few minutes, put it in the oil, allow it to cook, and then go ahead and drop those bad boys into the sauce. I like my shrimp fully coated in the sauce, so I flipped it, turned it, and everything else. But if you don't, then you can always drizzle it on top. And here we go, bang bang shrimp made at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well.